Hello friends, welcome to DevOps. So today's video we are going to discuss how to create EC2 instance using Terraform. So Terraform is very powerful tool to automate infrastructure. And Terraform tools are not only use AWS provider, you can use any cloud provider. And it's made by company called HashiCorp. And we can go to the page that here, terraform.io to learn more about Terraform. So now, how we can access AWS services? So firstly, go to the Visual Studio Code here. And firstly, we create a file that the name main.tf file. So firstly, we define provider here. I using AWS provider. Then in provider, add access key, secret key, and last one region. So you need to create access key and secret key for access AWS cloud. So log into AWS here. So log into AWS. So I need to create access key and secret key. So firstly, we create on our username and go to the my secret credentials. Sorry, my security credentials. Here. And click on access key. So now I'm going to create a new one. So you can see the access key and secret key has been created. So copy the access key and simply paste it here. Same as secret key, copy and paste it. So now here after this video, I'm going to deactivate this keys. So next, region. So choose the region as per your choice and whatever you belongs to. So here I'm choosing AP South 1. And then next is resource. So resource, AWS resource is used for deploying EC2 instance. And the Terraform Demo is the name we have given for this part. In resource, there is AMI. So how to create AMI ID? So you want to create Ubuntu. So firstly, go to the EC2 here and click on launch instances and type here Ubuntu and copy this AMI ID and paste here. Then instance type. So I have defined t2.micro here. So you can define instance type as per your choice or based on your requirements. So here I have defined t2.micro. Then key name here. So you can choose which key you want to use. So firstly, go to the key pair here. And I want to use this key. So copy and paste. And last one is tag name. So tag name totally as per you, what kind of tag name you want to put. So I'm gonna put Terraform Demo. So before run the code, you can see here my one instance is already running. So now save the files and run the command Terraform init. So init is downloading the plugins from internet based on your provider that we define in the file that AWS provider. Then plan. Terraform plan. So Terraform plan is going to do this, read the Terraform source code file And Terraform plan command, it tells you what is going to happen in future, and future is the next step that apply. So it is going to create one resource. Once we apply command, then it will be going to create, then apply command. Terraform apply. So yes, so you can see deployment has started. It takes some time. So you can see apply successful. So let's check our instance is created or not. So go to the EC2 and refresh. So you can see Terraform Demo and the instance type t2.micro. So go to the Visual Studio Code. If you want to delete this instance, then run the command terraform destroy. So yes, I want to delete this instance. So it's destroying. It takes some time. Destroy successful. So let's check. So yes, successfully destroyed. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.